S. Swaminarayan, the Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Principles of Economics and Management. The subject code is 3140709, semester 4. So let's go ahead. Now you all know the definition of economics. It is called the house affairs. Introduction of economics. Unit 1 is still continued here on. Now we go ahead. Theory of demand and supply. Demand, what does it mean? Demand यानी amount of a product people are willing to buy at a certain price. Demand यानी what is the what customer wants to purchase. Demand relationship between the price and the quantity demanded. Price कैसी है and quantity demanded, which type of how the owner can fulfill the relationship of customers. It is his demand. Supply, it means amount of a certain goods. Producers are willing to supply it means amount of a certain goods. Producers are willing to supply when receiving a certain price. It is called a supply. Now supply relationship, correlation between price and how much of a goods or service is supplied to the market. It is called supply relationship. So demand relationship we have to take in mind, where there is a relationship between price and quantity demanded, and in supply relationship, correlation between price and how much of a goods or service is supplied in the market. Modern approach. Macroeconomics give an idea of the functioning of the economy as a whole. For example, the study of national price level, while microeconomics give an idea of the individual's preference and welfare. For example, study of price level of one firm. Modern approach, microeconomics analysis the economic behavior of any particular decision making unit, such as household or a firm. Microeconomic studies the flow of economic resources from households to business firms, and the flow of goods and services from business firms to households, vice versa. It studies the behavior of individual decision making unit with regard to fixation of price and output. Hence, microeconomics is also called price theory. Microeconomics, it is also called price theory. Modern approach. Next, macroeconomics studies the behavior of the economic system as a whole or all decision making units put together. Macroeconomics deals with the behavior of aggregates. For example, total employment, GNP, gross national product, NI, national income, national price level, etc. Hence, macroeconomics is also known as income theory. Look at here, theory of demand and supply. ये क्वेश्चन जीटी में 2017 में पूछा गया है. एक्सप्लेन द थियरी ऑफ डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट इज कॉल्ड डिमांड. Market is a group of buyers and sellers for particular goods and services. Market की definition है, it is a group of buyers and sellers for particular goods and services. Buyers determine the group of the product, whereas sellers determine the supply of a product. Market are of two types, organized and non-organized. In an organized market, buyers and sellers meet and decide the price of the product. They meet and decide what is the price of the product. Whereas in non-organized markets, they do not meet and buyers buy as per his ability and willingness to buy at fixed price. So it's a fixed price where there is no organized person. Demand quantity is the amount of the goods that buyers are willing and able to purchase. There are many determinants which decides the quantity of demand, but one of the most important factor is price. Look at here, it is a price relationship. It's a high. Price 1, price 2, price and 3. It's a demand relationship. Quantity 1, 2 and 3. So quantity number 1 is high level. As shown in the diagram, suppose question number 2 is the demand at particular price. Demand shifts to question number 3 with decrease in price to P1, whereas demand shifts to question quality 1 which increase in price number 3. Theory of demand and supply. Demand, it's a quality of a product where people are willing to buy us at a certain price. Demand relationship, the relationship between price and quantity demanded. Supply, quantity of a certain goods producers are willing to supply when receiving a certain price. Supply relationship, correlation between price and how much goods or service is supplied to the market. So it is the theory of demand and supply. Determinants of demand. Price decreases, demand will increase. Price decreases, demand will increase. Yeah, when the price decreases of the product, demand will increase. And if price increase, the demand will decrease, vice versa. Income, it is obvious that when incomes of a person will increase, then demand will also increase. इनकम जितनी पर इंसान की होगी उतनी उसकी डिमांड भी ज़्यादा होगी. डेमोग्राफी, पॉपुलेशन, as population increases, demand will also increase. Taste and preference of consumers. If a person likes something, then he will demand more. If he doesn't like it, then he will refuse to buy. Expectations of future price. If the consumer expects the rise in price, then he will demand more at this time and vice versa. Prices of related commodities. The demand is also affected by the prices of the substitute and complementary products. These are the determinants of demand. Determinants of supply. Price, if the price will increase, the supplier will willing to supply more as profit increases and vice versa. Strategy of the supplier. If the strategy is followed by the suppliers, determine the quantity released at different prices. Number of suppliers. The number of suppliers represents the market structure. Monopoly or competition becomes the basis of supply. Government policies. The government policy of taxation, price controls, incentives to buy consumer and industrial products affects the supply of commodities. Technology development and adoption. The technological improvement helps large production at low cost. This factor affects both consumers and the suppliers. Future expectation. The future expectations about the price rise or price fall prompt the suppliers to restrict or to release the supply rate respectively. Natural calamities. The natural calamity like flood, earthquake, etc. destroys the supply. Thus, the quantity supplied is determined by these factors. The law of demand. The law of demand states that if all other factors remain equal, the higher the price of a good, the fewer people will demand that good. Look at the price and quantity. price 1, quantity 1, price 2, quantity 2, next number 2, and 3, price 3, quantity 3. This is called demand relationship. Look at here, demand relationship. The law of supply demonstrates the quantities that will be sold at a certain price. Producers supply more at a higher price because selling more quantity at higher price increases revenue. Price 1 तो क्वालिटी 1, नंबर 2 है प्राइस 2 तो क्वालिटी नंबर 2 होगी, प्राइस 3 क्वालिटी नंबर 3, एंड सप्लाई. लुक एट हियर द supply relationship. Supply demand relationship. According to the demand relationship, as demand increases, so does the price. Consequently, the price should prompt more supply, and increased supply will meet customer demand. Again, price will fall as demand is increasing. Equilibrium, a point where the quantity of goods being supplied is exactly the same as the quantity of goods being demanded. For example, demand quantity is equals supply quantity. Equilibrium is practically not achievable as demand and supply quantities are continually changing based on market needs. Look at here, price, quantity, vice versa, price, demand, supply, quantity, price, equilibrium. So it's not a mixed match. Elasticity of demand. Demand elasticity is a measure of how much the quantity demanded will change if another factor changes. Elasticity greater than 1 is called elastic. Elasticity less than 1 is called inelastic. Elasticity equal to 1 is unit elastic. This is important for selling prices so as to maximize profit. Types of elasticity of demand. Types of elasticity of demand: price elasticity, income elasticity, cross elasticity, cross price elasticity, and 4, promotional elasticity of demand. So these are the 4 types of elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand. Look at here. Factors affect price elasticity: the number of close substitutes, type of goods, whether it is a necessary or luxury. Necessities tend to have inelastic demand, while luxuries are more elastic. For example, look at here, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, like that. So price elasticity: food is necessity. Food is always necessity. Air conditioner is luxury. So price elasticity depends on income. Income elasticity of demand. The demand will increase with an increase in income. जितनी इनकम आपकी ज़्यादा होगी, डिमांड भी इतनी ज़्यादा होगी. At a slower rate for normal necessities than luxury goods. Low grade goods have a negative income elasticity of demand. For example, if the quantity demanded of a goods increased by 50% in response to a 10% increase in income, then income elasticity of demand would be 50%, yeah, 10% is equal to 1.5. Cross elasticity is also known cross price elasticity. The cross price elasticity may be a positive or negative value depending on whether the goods are substitutes or complements. For example, Bonvita and Horlicks. goods are substitute or complements, are substitute products. Bournvita and Horlicks are substitute products. Car and petrol are complementary products. Bournvita and Horlicks are substitute products. Car and petrol is also complementary products. So these are the examples of cross price elasticity. Promotional elasticity of demand. Promotion by means of media or by giving some gifts, consumers will attract towards that product. For example, promotion by gifts like free products, gifts, coupons, etc. Promotion by media like advertisements. It is more affected when a market is of competition. Promotional elasticity of demand is higher when a product is a luxury. It means air conditioned. Medium when a product is of comfort, air cooler. Lower when a product is of necessity, like fan. These are the short questions. GTU May 2016, GTU November 2016, GTU 2016. So define the term economics, what is microeconomics, what is macroeconomics, define demand, state the law of demand, how demand is proportional to price change. So all the questions are in one or two lines and short and sweet. State the law of supply, how supply is proportional to price change, how supply is proportional to a number of sellers, what is called equilibrium quantity of for demand and supply, explain surplus and shortage, what is elasticity of demand, what is price elasticity, what is income elasticity of demand. These are the question bank which I am going to share with you. These are the question bank that you must have to submit in Google Classroom. Thank you very much, dear all.